Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get format shape in PowerPoint. First, open your presentation and select any shape you wish to customize. Once a shape is selected, the Shape Format tab will immediately appear in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This dedicated tab is your central hub, offering all the essential tools and options to modify your chosen shape's appearance, from its color to its effects. Let's dive into these powerful features. Next, let's customize the look of your shape. The Shape Fill option allows you to change the interior color, offering a wide palette of standard and custom colors. You can also select No Fill or use gradients, textures, or even a picture. For the border, the Shape Outline menu lets you adjust its color, weight, from 1/4 point to 6 points, and style, including dashes or arrows. Feel free to experiment to find the perfect combination. Now, let's add some flair with Shape Effects. The Shape Effects drop-down menu offers a range of visual enhancements to make your shapes truly stand out. You can apply subtle shadows, create realistic reflections, add vibrant glows, or soften edges for a more refined look. Furthermore, explore the three-dimensional rotation and bevel options to give your shapes impressive depth and perspective, transforming a flat object into a dynamic element within your presentation. Finally, let's organize your shapes effectively. The Arrange group on the Shape Format tab is crucial for layering. You can bring shapes forward or send them backward to control their order. For a polished look, use the Align tools to precisely distribute and position multiple shapes relative to each other or the slide. To manage complex designs, group several shapes together, allowing you to move or resize them as one cohesive unit, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.